One of the biggest breakthroughs of 2021 was the Metaverse. Even though you have definitely heard the name, you might not understand it. What you need to understand is that the Metaverse has huge potential to earn active and passive income. It has enough potential for you to earn $100 to $700 per day. Basically, the Metaverse is a virtual world on Web 3.0, built on none other than the blockchain network and technology. You can live inside this virtual world, play in it, and meet your friends and new people, and even buy land in it, just like NFTs. The possibilities with Metaverse. There are countless possibilities to earn money and benefit in other ways with the Metaverse. Some of these require investment, and some don't. Stay with us to the end to find out all the free methods to earn money from Metaverse. The most efficient way to earn money from the Metaverse is by buying Metaverse real estate. This is a comparatively easy way, especially for crypto investors. Here, instead of investing in a coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you will be investing in land within the virtual world built on blockchain. You can develop your own real estate on this land, or you can rent it to other developers. And not just land, you can buy characters, skins, and accessories, and sell them at a higher price. You can auction your NFTs and your art within the Metaverse. You can show your digital art as NFTs in exhibitions within the Metaverse. As I said, there are countless possibilities with the Metaverse for earning money. Welcome back to NFT Hub, where we make quality content on the crypto and NFT world. The interesting part is that you can do it for free too, and there are some fun ways also. Like playing games? Literally, you can earn money by playing fun games, and that is what we will be talking about next. So make sure to stick till the end and find your Metaverse calling. Play to earn games. The recent trend in the NFT and the Metaverse community is play to earn games. The working is quite simple. You can earn rewards by completing tasks and winning battles. These rewards can be redeemed as cryptocurrency, which you can sell for real money. It's simple. You get economic interest in exchange for time and attention. That's all it takes. No money, no ridiculously large investments, just some time and a little bit of attention. And you get to earn up to $100 per day while having fun. The simplest concept of money for time. Now, I have to warn you that you might still need investment, but there is a way around that. Actually, you need to invest in buying NFTs that work as in-game characters. But there is a concept of scholarships. You can borrow the NFTs that you need to play the game from a manager and in return give him some percentage of your earnings. It could be 60-40 or 80-20. Some of the best play to earn games that you can access are Axie Infinity, Pegaxie, Crypto Blades, Champions Ascension, Berserk. We have covered all of these play to earn games in one of our videos. Go check it out. The link is in the description. Metaverse Freelancing. Recent years have been great for youngsters with talent because of freelancing, and Metaverse has some holes that can be filled with freelancing. So, as quoted, freelancing is when you use your skills, education, and experience to work with multiple clients and take on various assignments without committing to a single employer. Now, there are many companies, startups actually, that hire freelancers to develop the framework. They hire freelance digital artists, video editors, copywriters, and social media managers. And the same works with the Metaverse. People are willing to pay you for skills related to, number 1, script writing, to create the story around which the Metaverse will revolve. Number 2, creating Metaverse assets. There is a lot of money you can earn if you learn this skill. And you can take courses available online, and within 3 to 4 months, you will be providing the service. As the Metaverse consists of land, avatars, digital clothes or skins, items, and basically the entire virtual world.
What the?
You can do that for people who don't know how to. If you are adept in any matter from managing to teaching, I have something interesting for you at the end of the video. Metaverse Architect. This one is similar to Metaverse Freelancing. So a lot of agencies, companies, or even individuals invest to buy land in a metaverse. But in order to earn money off of the land, they tend to construct something beneficial on it. There are a lot of businesses that hire freelancers to design and create their websites on the web. In the very same way, people hire freelancers to design and create buildings on their property within the Metaverse. The buildings could be houses, stores, art galleries, museums, malls, casinos, auction houses, or even themed parks. Creating VR games. The play-to-earn games I mentioned earlier are built on the blockchain, and their world is considered a literal metaverse. If you are a game designer and developer, this could be a golden opportunity to move on from conventional games to the new era of gaming, NFT games. You could design and publish whole VR games. You don't have to be extremely skilled in gaming development. You could make very simple VR versions of popular games like Flappy Birds or other simple games like these. Real estate broker. Just like we have brokers in the actual world for real estate, you can become one for the virtual world. The metaverse has so many properties, which means numerous sellers and buyers. You can connect these sellers and buyers or give advice on real estate as a broker for the metaverse. Creating NFTs. If you are a digital artist, this one is especially for you. The metaverse as a whole is a collection of NFTs. You can create NFTs for a metaverse company as a digital artist. For example, here is a Pega, an NFT that is used by players to play the game Pegaxi. Similarly, you can be the one to create such NFTs that are part of NFT games and earn money just by providing your services, because you have a skill. And this is something that you can learn. There are many courses online that teach you digital art, even 3D art for that matter. A new era of virtual worlds means a new era of virtual jobs. If you have any expertise in any matter, you can earn from the metaverse. Let's talk about some of these. Any metaverse is operated by a cryptocurrency. Even the in-game currency of a metaverse is bought with a cryptocurrency. You can become a stockbroker for these currencies. As there are stores and malls in the metaverse where you can buy different products, NFT art, and other things, these stores will require salespeople, and you can become one. Event management is an interesting job. You use your creativity and management skills to efficiently carry out a smooth event and get paid for it. Just like in the real world, you can become an event manager for the metaverse. In the very same way, you can become a museum manager or a gallery manager. The metaverse is already holding auctions, and you can become an auctioneer in a metaverse. These are all very simple jobs that only require time and effort, but are worth it. You can become tour guides for the virtual world, and even become teachers and tutors. And we have already seen this during the pandemic. The virtual study cannot be compared with first-hand knowledge, but still, it can be efficient and more convenient. There are many metaverses that are under development, especially after the rebranding of Facebook as Meta. But instead of waiting for them, you can start with the metaverses that exist as of today, like Sandbox, Decentraland, and Stageverse. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments section. If you genuinely found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, or check out our video about making money and play to earn NFT games. That's it for today. See you in the next one.